Whether you're looking to design a tattoo for yourself or you're an artist looking to start an original portfolio, today we're going to break down the entire process for how to design a tattoo. Tattoos are an incredibly personal art form and one that allows you to express yourself in wholly unique ways. While talented tattoo artists can make ideating and rendering original artwork easy, and you should definitely get input from your artist, it can be a really fun process to design and create your own personal tattoo. No matter what kind of artistic ability you have, anyone can come up with a personal and original tattoo design. Here's how. The first thing you need to plan out when designing a tattoo is where it is going. The location on the body, the visibility with various outfits, and the discretion of your taste all play a key role in planning the design of your tattoo. Are you looking at a semi-private location, a public location? How large of an area does the body area you select provide for designing? These are all important considerations. After you choose where you're designing your tattoo, now you get to do the fun part. Looking for inspiration. Tattoo magazines, Instagram, Pinterest, art books, and botanical books are all great places to find references. Look at the art styles as well as the content of the imagery to create something that is true to your tastes and beliefs. If you're having trouble getting inspired or aren't sure where to start, look at zodiac signs, floral designs, tribal tattoos, and animal designs. Those are mostly neutral styles that don't tie to specific times or trends in your life and can feel less intimidating when designing a new tattoo, especially if it's your first one. Once you've locked down your inspiration, it's time to bring your idea and inspiration together and actually create the tattoo artwork. You can, of course, try drawing it yourself. Even rough sketches can help you better communicate with a professional artist. Or you can start with a professional artist and use all the details you've collected up until this point to guide their efforts. Part of this process will be choosing color. It's best to first have your tattoo art designed in black and white so that you can get the composition and size of everything dialed in. But once you have it where you want it, it's going to be time to consider adding color or leaving it grayscale. Black and white tattoos are timeless and clean looking, while colored art can really pop and stand out. You could even opt for a white tattoo or a glow-in-the-dark ink if you really want to stand out. Remember that tattoos designed with lots of color will inevitably need touch-ups in the future. It's a little detail, but one that you may want to consider when designing your own tattoo. Once you've made all of these decisions, one more thing we recommend is hanging the design up somewhere where you will see it every day. See how you feel about it after a week of seeing it every day. If you still love it, then you've probably got a good tattoo. If you find that you like it less over time, you may want to start over and reconsider the tattoo design. Just make sure it's something you really love and want before you decide to make it a permanent addition to your body. The last thing you need to do now that you have your tattoo designed is to go and find the right tattoo artist to bring it to life. Take your piece to several shops and be open to feedback from the artists. They are professionals and may have some insight you hadn't considered yet. They may want to modify your design as they see fit, and you should always welcome their input provided they are licensed and reputable. They could have recommendations on changing the body part or artwork to better suit you and your body, or help you be more comfortable by avoiding placing a really detailed tattoo somewhere more painful than you originally anticipated. Of course, you'll want to follow your tattoo artist's aftercare recommendations too to make sure that the healing process is quick and that you keep scabbing to a minimum. Designing your own tattoo can be a ton of fun, but it can be intimidating for people who don't feel they have the right artistic skill sets to draw out the designs that they have in their head. Design Pickle's team of custom illustrators can help anyone bridge that gap and bring the vision in your head into reality and possibly onto your body too. Whether you're just designing a tattoo for fun or looking to create a portfolio of original tattoo designs, we're confident that we can help you out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. Please like, share, and comment, especially if you have any other insights into designing either your first tattoo or your 100th tattoo. We'd love to hear about it down in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.